Hi everyone, I'm Heva and welcome back. I have a special edition bag here for you guys, an unboxing, and it is by Beauty Expert and it's their vegan collection. But first, let's talk about this bad hair day I'm having. It is a cold and dark and gloomy day outside today, which actually I kind of like those days, but my hair is not having it. It's just looking really bad. But we will push through, This is the hair that I have, and it's just not going to cooperate today. But anyway, let's go ahead and see what's inside this bag. Let me get my glasses on. It's by Beauty Expert, a really high-end online store. It's based out of England, and they made this collection with products that are vegan. It's a hand-picked selection of 7 premium beauty products that contain only vegan ingredients. Helping you make the more conscious beauty choices, this capsule collection includes skincare, body care, and hair care products that will enrich your current routine. So you get 7 products in here. We will see if they're all full size, and it costs $106 US, and they are worth, the products in here are worth over $240, which is not bad. That's pretty good. Here it is right here. It comes in a really nice kind of a lilac-y gray bag with Beauty Expert written on it. And let's go ahead and see what's inside. Alright, you open it up and there are the products. And it's lined with like a vinyl that's kind of pinky lilac. Alright, it comes with a booklet here that'll explain what the products that are in here. And it says the Book of Beauty, the vegan edition. Alright, let's go ahead and pull out the first product here. It's by Prai or Prai, this one right here. Platinum Firm and Lift Serum. You have 50 mils, 1.7 fluid ounce in here. And I'll write down the price of each product right here on the screen for you guys. But on here it says, a vegan addition to your anti-aging routine. This collagen boosting serum, like that, is the ultimate defiance against free radicals. Applied daily to cleanse skin and follow with moisturizer. And I'm going to read what it says here in the book. It says that it's concentrated with one of Earth's most coveted and precious metals. Okay. Combined with the brand's exclusive Prai, which is the brand name, extract, this serum deeply moisturizes, leaving the complexion supple and radiant. This formula contains chlorella and, gosh, the name of this one, kombucha. I'll write it down here for you guys, which repair the skin by protecting collagen and elastin. All right, that would be fun to try. Next, I have a box here. It's by Antipodes, Divine Face Oil, Rosehip, and Avocado Oil. It says here on the box, scientifically shown to stimulate type 1 collagen by 51%. All right, here is the bottle right here. It comes with a little dropper, and you have 30 mils of product, 1 fluid ounce. It says here, this hydrating formula enriched with essential nutrients, the Antipodes face oil works to soften the appearance of fine lines, blemishes, and sun damage. Apply to cleanse skin each evening. Okay, so this is for the nighttime. And in this little booklet, it says that this brand, Antipodes, is an organic vegan beauty brand established in New Zealand. The high level of vitamins A and C in rosehip oil helps boost the efficiency of avocado's hydrating properties, leaving skin visibly smoother and radiant. Oh, that smells very clean. It does have a hint of rose. I can't wait to try this in the evening. All right, next you have a little black box here. It's by Anika, Vegan Mascara Long Lash. Okay. It's an award-winning product from Anika. The Long Lash Mascara is a vegan formula that contains 100% natural extracts. Suitable for sensitive eyes, lashes are instantly lengthened with added volume and ultra black pigment. Okay, I love my mascara. All right, next you have a box here. It's French, Le Couvent. I believe that's how you say it. It's in French. It does say here it's a gardener's hand balm. Let me see what it says here in that book. Rejuvenate and restore dry hands with the Le Couvent de Minimes. Minimes? I only took 2 years of French in high school. That was a long time ago. The Gardener's Hand Balm. This lightweight and quick absorbing formula repairs and nourishes with every application. Infused with nourishing shea butter and botanical plant extracts such as chamomile, calendula, and rosemary, the rich formula melts into skin to instantly condition. Alright, you have a big box here by Grow Gorgeous, the cleansing conditioner. Really good size here. You have 190 ml of product, 6.4 ounce of product in here. Deeply hydrate and cleanse hair simultaneously with the 11-in-1 cleansing conditioner from Grow Gorgeous. Gentle enough to use daily, this conditioner benefits hair in 11 different ways. Let's see here. From boosting volume, adding shine, reducing frizz, and making hair easier to style. Containing active ingredients which create visibly results, this cleansing conditioner is suitable for all hair types. You have something here by Elemis, Peptide 4000 Flower Mask. Alright, it's a good size here too. Let's see. It's 75 mils, 2.5 fluid ounce. Revitalize the skin with the Elemis Peptide 1000 Flower Mask, a soothing mousse mask that leaves the complexion radiant, glowing, and refined. Containing Nordic peat, an ingredient rich in minerals, antioxidants, and vitamins. Love that. This mask improves skin radiance and revives dull or lackluster skin. Well, I've got both dull and lackluster. The addition of willow complex gently exfoliate away dead skins, leaving skin smoother and with an even appearance. Alright, I can't wait to try this mask. Alright, and the last product here is by bareMinerals Prime Time Foundation Primer. And you have 1 ounce of product in here, 30 mils. Create a smooth and perfected makeup base with the bareMinerals Prime Time Foundation Primer, which helps to improve skin tone and texture. Infused with vitamin E and moisturizing plant extract, the silky smooth primer blends into the skin to minimize pores, like that, reduce shine, and create a naturally luminous finish. Alright, this is a really nice bag, and here's what the inside looks like. Very roomy. And it has the feet here on the bottom, you know, to put it on the counter so it'll stay upright. But yeah, this is really nice. There's no zipper inside this one though, not like the last Beauty Expert bag. But this is really nice. Not bad for $106. And Beauty Expert, when I looked at it before I did the video, it was still available. And Beauty Expert, they do offer free shipping to the States and no tax, which is really nice. I guess that depends on the state that you're in. But here in Texas, I was not charged shipping or tax. So it's $106 for these 7 products right here, worth $240. I think it was, I totaled it up to be like $243. I'll write it here for you guys, and down below. But yeah, I wanted to show this to you, and hopefully that if you like the products that you see, that you can jump on the chance to get this bag. But so far, I like the products that I'm seeing, and I can't wait to use them. Alright, you guys, it is pouring down rain, still pouring down rain, and I need to make my way up to Dallas. I want to drive carefully, so I want to take my time. But anywho, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you can see more videos like this. And you all have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.